Hi, my name is Alberto, and I'm going to present the collaborative project that my group and I have made. These are the members of our group, and now my partner will explain why we have chosen the SDG number 10.
Well, now talking about the Sustainable Development Goal number 10 that talks about reducing inequalities, we have to take in count that the easiest focus on reducing inequalities within and among countries, and actually to ensure that all people, regardless of age, gender, disability, race, ethnicity, origin, religion, or economic status, have equal opportunities and can benefit from the economic and social development. Below, we explore this goal in the context of Peru and Poland. Here we have the six several case focuses of the Sustainable Development Goal. At first, we have income that tries to improve the income growth of the bottom at 40% of the population. Then we have the social, economic, and political inclusion that tries to ensure that social, economic, and political inclusion of all. And at third, we have equal opportunities that tries to eliminate discriminatory laws, policies, and practices and promote appropriate legislation and policies. Now, number four, we have the migration and mobility. It tries to facilitate safe, regular, and responsible migration and mobility. Number four, we have number five, excuse me, we have the voice and representation to ensure greater representation and voice for developing countries in decision making in global economic and financial institutions. And at the last, we have the financial flows that tries to facilitate the orderly, safe, regular, and responsible migration and mobility of the people. We have some examples of the application of this goal in Peru and Poland. We are going to start talking about Peru. In the context of the social programs, we have two programs. The first is called Juntos, that it's a conditional cash transfer program aimed at reducing poverty and inequality by encouraging families to meet certain health and education conditions. Then we have the Pensión 65 that provides a non-contributory pension to elderly people in extreme poverty. Then we have talking about financial inclusions. We have the Banco de la Nación and mobile wallet that promotes in financial inclusion for vulnerable sectors by providing access to basic financial services. At number three, talking about education and training, we have Beca 18, that it's a program offering comprehensive scholarships to low-income youth for equality higher education. And the last, we have talking about inclusion of indigenous populations. We have Consulta Previa, that it's a mechanism to ensure that indigenous communities are consulted about projects that may affect them, guaranteeing their participation and voice in decisions impacting their territories in the way of life. Talking about Poland, we have in the first state the social inclusion policies. We have a program called a 500 plus program that is a family subsidy program that provides a monthly allowance for each child up to 18 years old, helping to reduce child poverty and support low income families. Then, talking about the equal opportunities, we have the Disability Inclusion Plan, that is an implementation of policies and programs to improve accessibility and inclusion for people with disabilities in all aspects of life. The number third, we have talking about migration and refugees. We have the support of migrants and refugees. The EU funded projects for the integration of the migrants and refugees, providing them access to education, employment, and social services. And at the last, talking about presentation in institutions or representation in institutions, we have the EU participation. Poland actually works to ensure fair representation in the European institutions, promoting policies that benefit its citizens and contribute to reducing regional inequalities. And as a conclusion, this goal is essential for building more just and inclusive societies. In Peru and Poland, various initiatives and policies aim to reduce economic and social inequalities, addressing the needs of the most vulnerable groups and promoting equal opportunities. Through continuous and collaborative efforts, both countries are progressing towards greater equity and social justice in line with global sustainable development goals.
Talking about our product, the title of our project is Reducing Inequality, the SDG10 Challenge. We decided to create a comprehensive website dedicated to disseminating information and raising awareness about the crucial goal of reducing inequality. Our website is structured to provide a wealth of resources and tools, including detailed solution proposals and practical strategies for addressing various forms of disparity. Additionally, we focus on methods for measuring change effectively and accurately, ensuring that progress can be tracked and verified. Our content is designed to be accessible and informative, catering to a diverse audience ranging from policymakers to educators, and from activists to the general public. To ensure a holistic approach, we have dedicated sessions highlighting the key agents of change: the government, society, and the private sector. Each section outlines the specific roles and responsibilities of these stakeholders, offering insights into how they can contribute to reducing inequality.
Well, now talking about the reflection about the experience, I feel really grateful for working with my partners, with Alberto and with Alper from Poland. It's really pleasant to talk about those topics. For example, in our case, we have to talk about inequality. So this is something that that has impact in the world. So we are trying to give solutions or trying to give ideas or trying to figure out how can we impact or what can we do with that. And that's really interesting because it's affecting a lot of countries, and we all of us are are involved on that goal. We all are trying to make the world better. So working with people from another parts of the world, it's really great, and that's the point of it. It's to make contacts, to share the culture, and to give solutions to one problem, and that's what we do.
And now I will share my reflection about the experience of making this project. Working on this collaborative project with my partner from Poland on the topic of reducing inequality has been a profoundly enriching experience. Through our joint efforts, we explored the unique challenges and opportunities that exists in both our countries. This collaboration highlighted the importance of cross-cultural perspectives in addressing global issues. We shared insights and strategies, learning from each other's successes and setbacks. This project not only strengthened our understanding of inequality but also reinforced the value of international collaboration in creating effective solutions. It has been a testament to the power of partnership in driving positive change and achieving common goals. And that will be all. Thank you.